Today we are going to be talking about ketogenic in a much more smoother way. There is Chef Vid with us, who is all the way from New York. She helps over here with menu consultancy in a lot of amazing restaurants, including this one. What about the few dishes you can make at home, like which are easily available in the kitchen or in the supermarket, ingredients which you can get from anywhere and make some keto meals? Can you please brief us and brief the audience on that?
Just a simple snack I'm going to tell you about, like an egg ghee roast. You just boil an egg, some ghee, put some spices, curry patta, rye, and there you go. Delicious snack ready in minutes.
Wow, I would just add a lot of coriander on top of that and make it really healthy. That sounds awesome. Thanks on that. Anything else?
Maybe I'm a big pasta fan, so I would do a zoodles with a pink sauce.
Wow, that's a great tip coming out here. So you guys will not miss your pasta if you do it with zucchini, zoodles.
And you can add your cream because that's high fat.
And you can add your cream because it's high fat. That makes sense. You can eat the fat. Only if you're burning also at the same time. That makes sense. Definitely suitable for everybody, but it's a process by which you get onto keto. So in that process, you have to be really, really disciplined, and throughout the diet you have to be very disciplined. So one thing which will definitely it will make you disciplined, because it's not easy.
Having said that, I would make sure that if you have any health concerns, you have to make sure that keto is okay for you.
I absolutely agree with her. Before starting your workout, before starting any diet, always consult the doctor, physician. Take the advice and then get on, because you might be food allergic, or there's some allergy. Then in that case, it's not possible. Thanks a lot. Nice talking to you, Will. That's awesome. I hope you're going to do some amazing keto meals with us.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so we are going to see her more in keto meals or healthy meals, because we are not just going to stick to keto. We are going to be going on to low carbs or healthy eating meals, and she's going to help us make those meals of food in the future. Thank you.